Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
As noted, Snapchat is one of the last major social apps to add dark mode, with most apps making the option available following updates to iOS 13 and Android 10 respectively to better facilitate dark mode switching. Facebook has now added dark mode options to all of its apps, while Twitter, Pinterest, TikTok and Reddit the 23rd of January 2021.
Take our lead.
Open the TikTok app, go to your profile, then tap the three dots in the upper right-hand corner to open the settings. Scroll to where it says Dark Mode. You probably could have guessed that, then feel free to toggle over to Dark Mode. 30 July 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Go to Play Store, download Substratum, and install it. Open Substratum and select the theme that you want to use. Select your device, then choose the app for which you want to use dark mode and tap Install.
Let's help you make your mark.
Like iPhones, Android also doesn't have an official solution in getting dark mode on Snapchat. But you can download third-party apps to enable this functionality. Those apps will invariably tweak the actual Snapchat experience, and keep in mind that you are doing it at your own risk. 7 January 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Some Snapchat users were startled this week after getting a message from friends or seeing a screenshot of a message that appeared to be from Team Snapchat that said their memories in the app would be deleted. But fortunately for users, it's not true. 24 April 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.